Hey, it's Ainsley with ELURA Speakers, and today's a pretty exciting day. We got our first set of rock speaker shipment that just came in. These are, of course, outdoor speakers that come in a sandstone or a granite finish. These are 8-inch rock speakers. Like I said, the very first rock speakers we've ever introduced to the line. As you can see on the outside of the box, just like we do with all of our boxes, the full specification, so you know exactly what you're getting, in the product. So this is the first time I get to see them. It's been over a year of development, so it's kind of exciting. This is like opening a present for the first time, right? So inside the box, of course, you get some instructions telling you how to install them, best practices, and how to connect them. Pretty basic. We've got some weather-resistant wire nuts. These have the little silicone gel inside, so you get 4 of them, since there is 2 speakers inside the box. All right, let's see. Go ahead and take off. Honestly. All right, what I like about these have a really nice matte gray finish. Of course, this is the granite version. Has a weep hole here in the very bottom, so that if water does get into the grill, it can leak out. The best part about this is an 8-inch speaker. This is smaller than most 6.5s that you see out there as far as the overall form factor. The idea is you want to have these hidden as much as possible. Of course, the part number in ELURA embossed on the bottom. We have a security hook, so if you do want to anchor these down, you can, especially for commercial environments. So I think they look great. Can't wait to get these set up in my yard and then also in the branches so you guys can try out.